Oh no, my key doesn't go in the hole to unlock my door for my car. Like right here. I put it in and it has a hard time going in like that. It won't, and it won't unlock my car. Stay tuned, I'll show you what to do. Alright, this is the end of this video, and if you liked it, you can give it a thumbs up or click right here to subscribe. Or even better yet, share this video with your friends. Oh, and if you subscribe to my channel, don't forget to ring that bell. And by ringing that bell, every time I upload a new video, you'll get a notification.